I'm Adam Mills, Sales Director for Marine Jet Power, and we're here at Sea Air Space in Washington, DC. And we're displaying our 310X water jet and here to talk about governmental and naval applications.
Hi, I wanted to talk a little about what kind of government vessels water jets can be used on. Basically, any vessel between around 10 meters up to 200 meters can be fitted with our water jets. Obviously, high-speed craft such as high-speed interceptors, high-speed combat craft, because we have high speed, high efficiency, fantastic durability on the water jets themselves. Landing craft are another one of our big markets because of the shallow draft, high thrust and high reverse thrust. Also can be used on a lot of Coast Guard type or combat insertion vessels where you have personnel in the water and you don't want to have the danger or risk of injury with propellers, or any kind of military or government vessel that needs high maneuverability.
One of the big questions that we often get asked is, what is Duplex stainless steel and why do we use it for the construction of our water jets? Duplex stainless steel is stronger, more robust, higher resistance to corrosion, higher resistance to stress fatigue, and they're all the reasons why we choose Duplex stainless steel in the construction of our water jets. And we also supply our water jets with a 5-year warranty, which is a commitment from MJP on how we trust and feel reliability and robustness of the product.
We've had a great week here at Sea Air Space Expo in National Harbor, Maryland. We're involved in a lot of ongoing military programs and government programs. So if you didn't get a chance to come see us this week at the show, please visit us at marinejetpower.com for more information.